Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be going over how to repair a input device for your oven. So with this, you're going to be raising or lowering the oven temperature, and any one of these buttons could break. And this is the easy repair. Like if the electrical components are broken and you have to resolder, this is not going to work for you. But if you open this device, and it's going to be different for the type of oven that you have. But if you open this device and you see that one of those pieces of plastic is broken, then you know you're going to have an easy way of repairing this. So when you're pushing it from the other side, at some point it's just going to snap. And the easy repair is you just glue it. You can use super glue, probably any other glue. It doesn't have to withstand that much heat because your oven will probably have a blower inside to cool down the electrical components. Once you're done gluing that part and you wait a few seconds or minutes depending on your glue, you snap the device back in place. Make sure you don't break anything, that everything's good. It feels okay, and then you just put it back in place. Your oven is probably going to be different from mine. That's why I didn't go over how to remove the device. But here's how to reinstall it in my case, just in case you have the same oven. And I have other videos in how I open my oven to repair the stove burner on the top, the electric element. So if you need to see how to open it up, you can use that video. But it will probably be a different oven for you, so good luck. It's not going to be that hard. So there I'm pointing at the screws that I had to take off to remove that input device. And the worst part was taking all of those connections off because they were just hard to get to. It's kind of uncomfortable. And then the rest is pretty easy. So real quick, if you don't mind, please like, share, subscribe. It's just gonna help me out grow the channel and whatnot. And let me know if you think of any other things I can make for entertainment or just for people to know how to do stuff. Yeah, so my garbage, that's one of those automatic doors that opens when you swing your arm or your hand by it. And it had the same thing happen to it. The open button broke on the inside, very similar to this input device. And I just glued it, and now it works again. And my guess is that when it broke, like it was making contact, so it thought it was being told to be open all the time. So if you have one of those garbage cans and it's not working anymore, it might be because of the same thing. Just the plastic button broke. So there I'm reinstalling the ground as part of the stove top. And that should be it. Just plug it back in, be careful, stay safe, and see if it works. Oven up, and it's working. All right, awesome. Have a good day.